Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the aircraft profile so performance calculations match reality. Once done, load current navigation data and NOTAM. This prevents planning on stale fixes. Next, open Plotter Aviation and create a new flight file. Enter origin and destination ICAO identifiers, then set units to nautical miles and feet. Make sure to input weight, cruise speed, and fuel burn now so waypoints and leg times compute correctly. This gets you into the software with reliable inputs and immediate leg estimates. You now build the route, add airways or direct waypoints, checking airway intersections and altitude restrictions as you go. Once the topology is set, assign altitude constraints and plan any step climbs. This affects fuel flow and endurance. Then, set reserve fuel and alternate planning legs so margins are visible in totals. After that, estimate winds aloft and calculate true airspeed and ground speed for each leg, which updates ETA. Make sure to iterate until timings and fuel numbers are realistic. You finish by validating weight and balance plus final fuel totals, then run departure and arrival performance checks so takeoff and landing data are ready. Once validated, export briefing packs, a navlog, pertinent charts, weather snapshots, and a controller-readable route. Make sure formats match your cockpit system. Upload the package to the avionics or print a paper copy and cross-check waypoint names and radio frequencies on the last pass. If anything looks off, use the troubleshooting tip. Reload navigation data and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.